My name is Alyssa Genovese, and this is my species project for bio. I chose to research the red panda. The species name for the red panda is Ailurus. There are two subspecies, which are the Ailurus fulgens and the Ailurus fulgens stiani. Scientists are unclear of the red panda's evolution, but they believe that they are most closely related to the raccoons. It is no longer believed that they are related to the giant panda. In fact, the red panda was named panda 50 years before the discovery of the giant panda. Red pandas are found in West Nepal and southwest China. Red pandas live in the temperate forests of the Himalayas. They are also been found in the tropical forests of India. They live in forests that have a heavy growth of bamboo trees. Because 80 to 90% of red panda's diet consists of bamboo. They also eat fruit, acorns, roots, eggs, and insects, although they are herbivores and prefer bamboo and fruit. Red pandas are known to be solitary creatures until the mating season. Red pandas start breeding after 1 year of age. Moms on average have 4 cubs born in together, mostly in the spring or summer. The mom takes care of the babies in the nest, which is made of twigs and leaves, for 3 months. Then they will stay with the family and then go on their own till the next mating season. The red panda has a large round head, short snout with large pointy ears. Although their face is mostly white, they have reddish-brown tear tracks around their eyes believed to help keep the sun out. They grow to be about the size of a house cat, 12 to 20 pounds, and use their 18-inch ring tail to wrap around themselves when it's chilly or for a pillow. The red panda's main predator is the snow leopard and birds of prey. They will snatch up the cubs if they are too small. The red panda's red fur on their backs help them blend into the reddish moss on the trees, and their black bellies make it hard for predators to see them from below. Although the red panda is legally protected, there has been land set aside for them because their numbers have decreased dramatically due to habitat loss and poaching. And some red panda fun facts. The internet browser Firefox was named after the red panda because a red panda is called a firefox in some cultures. Shifu in Kung Fu Panda was also a red panda. And red pandas have long claws which retract like a cat. And red pandas are one of the few animals that can climb straight down a tree head first. Thank you.